Regulation U 2023-1540 seconds of the European Parliament and of the Council. Article 6. The communication of the Commission of May 17, 2018 on Europe on the Move Sustainable Mobility for Europe. Safe, Connected and Clean includes the Strategic Action Plan on batteries. That action plan sets out measures to support efforts to build a battery value chain in Europe, covering raw materials extraction, sustainable sourcing and processing, sustainable battery materials, cell manufacturing as well as reuse and recycling of batteries. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new videos. Also remember to like and comment, as your feedback is very valuable to us. Keep following us to help us create more content with your support. Thank you for your interest. The information has been obtained from the official website of the European Union.